After this, you will never use cream, you will never use lotions, oil, you will never use it. Just go ahead and apply it. 2 drops can go a long way. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. So like the title says, just 2 drops. Adding 2 drops into this will do wonders. I'll be showing you other ingredients to add, to mix together to do a wonderful job. What is the reason for applying lotions and cream? You will get it from this treatment. Some people apply to moisturize their skin. They apply creams, lotions to hydrate their skin, to get rid of dryness, Some people apply it to make sure their skin is looking glowing, to glow their skin. And some apply it to treat some skin disorders, dark spots and the rest. And some apply it to make sure their skin is looking younger, like treating aging signs. And some also apply it to get lighter or brighter skin. Whichever one, you will get perfect result, okay? It's not as if you will depend on this treatment anyway. It's optional. You can apply this treatment and you will not use cream after rinsing it off. Yes, it works very well because the ingredient also contains wonderful oils that will nourish your skin, protect your skin. So you can decide to use cream after this. It's optional also. Most times I apply facial masks, facial treatment, and I rinse it off without using any creams. And my skin still looks well moisturized. And that is because the ingredients contains already some important oils, okay, and we get a perfect result. Some people use creams as well and it causes more damage instead of repairing their skin. Some people, they don't need oily things on their skin, so at the end of this you get wonderful results. So the first ingredient you have to get here is this rice powder. Yes, rice flour or rice powder. Get any product. You can also make it yourself using your rice grain at home, turning it into a powdered form. So rice powder is very exfoliating, it's very nourishing. It contains brightening properties as well that will help to brighten your skin. For those that have blemishes, dark spots, yes, it helps so well to take care of my skin. I love it a lot. It helps to exfoliate your skin, to remove dead skin cells. When you don't have dead skin cells on your skin, you will obtain a flawless, a bright, glowing result to remove dead skin cells and reveal a bright, lovely skin. So another thing is it helps to fight free radical damage, protecting your skin from aging. If you have signs of aging, rice powder will help to firm it, lifting those sagginess, removing those wrinkles little by little until you see them no more. You can also make use of it to delay signs of aging as well. So many things that rice powder will do for you. So another one to add is sugar. Okay, this is a ground sugar, a granulated one. You can make use of white sugar, you can make use of a brown one. Sugar contains alpha hydroxyl acid. It's very hydrating. When you apply it on your skin, it hydrates your skin, keeping your skin away from dryness. It helps to glow the skin. It helps to make sure your skin is looking flawless, exfoliating your skin to reveal a bright, lovely skin. So another one to get is apple cider vinegar. Yes, apple cider vinegar contains powerful antioxidants. It contains antibacterial properties as well that will help to protect your skin, get rid of those acne, pimples, keeping your skin very clear, well nourished, removing blemishes and the rest. So adding just a little will go a long way to take care of so many skin disorders. So you have to get oils, okay, important oils that will not clog your skin. Any skin type can make use of these oils. Get sunflower oil or you get almond oil. Sunflower oil is for all skin type. It will not clog your skin, especially if you have oily skin. It will just nourish your skin, giving you a well moisturized, glowing skin. So almond oil is also very good, very natural for all skin type, but mainly for those that have normal dry skin. So just make use of any of these and you will love it. So you have to get a mixing bowl. Make sure your bowl is very clean. Do not allow germs in it because you don't want your remedy to be contaminated, of course. So the first thing to add is 2 tablespoons of rice powder. Okay, 2 tablespoons of rice powder will go a long way. Another one to add is 1 tablespoon of sugar. Another one to add also is apple cider vinegar. 1 cup the cover of apple cider vinegar. Get undiluted apple cider vinegar. Do not dilute it. 1 cup of like this. Add it into the mixture. After that, you have to add 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil or almond oil. Any of them, 1 tablespoon. So when you are done, you have to mix them together. Mix thoroughly. If it requires you to add water, okay, to make it in a smooth paste, add in rose water or ordinary water, okay, and you're all good. Make sure the treatment is not watery and make sure it's not very thick. If it's very thick, just add rose water, mix it little by little until it's very smooth in a thick paste. But if it's watery, you can increase the quantity of rice powder to thicken it a little so that it will not be running down your skin when you apply it on your face. So after that, after mixing it and it's in a smooth paste, you have to wash your skin, remove all makeups. Okay, make sure you don't have any makeups on your skin. Then you have to apply this treatment on your skin, on your face, your neck. If you want to apply only on your hand, go ahead and do so. To have that lovely hands, well hydrated, supple, just apply all over your body to take care of your skin and looking well moisturized all the time. This treatment will unify your complexion. It will keep your skin well hydrated. It will take care of signs of aging. It will remove dark spots. It will moisturize your skin, removing dryness. Like anything that cream will do for you, it will do it as well. But if you have severe dry skin, after making use of this facial mask, okay, or body mask, I will tell you what to apply. Light oils to apply to protect your skin. These are carrier oils that will not cause any irritation on your skin. So apply this treatment, leave it on for 20 minutes. If your skin can tolerate apple cider vinegar, go ahead and leave it on more than that. If you have sensitive skin, please, you can skip apple cider vinegar or just add just a little, few drops. Mix this treatment, apply it on a wash skin. Make sure your skin is well clean so that the treatment will penetrate well without those makeup. You don't have to apply it on your makeup. Please leave it on for 15-20 minutes. After that, rinse it off using a lukewarm water. So when you are done, you see a wonderful look. You will achieve that wonderful glow instantly. With consistency, you will get perfect result. Like using it all the time, you will see that you'll be looking more younger. Your skin will be looking so beautiful. You can even go out without cream, without applying lotion, and you will never regret it. So achieve that well hydrated skin using this treatment and you love your skin. So when you rinse it off, if you feel that you need cream, okay, you can use argan oil, almond oil, vitamin E oil, or sunflower oil. So apply any of these, okay. These are powerful oils, carrier oils and antioxidants that helps to protect your skin and keeping it also well moisturized. Apply it all over your skin and that is all. Use this treatment 3 times weekly and you never regret it. You can also use it every day. It's very safe. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.